Do you have a passion for Instagram? We're about to show you how to turn your Instagram presence into a cash machine. Yes, you heard it right. Instagram isn't just for sharing your favorite shots or lifestyle updates anymore. It's a platform teeming with financial potential, even if you're operating with fewer than 500 followers. Incredible, isn't it? Now you might be wondering, how is it possible? Well, folks, it's all about leveraging your unique content, engaging with your followers, and smartly incorporating revenue streams. From sponsored posts and affiliate marketing to selling your own products or services, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to success lies in authenticity and consistency. To guide you on this exciting journey, we've curated a dedicated course that will provide you with the know-how and strategies to start earning on Instagram. So don't wait. Check out the link in the video description for in-depth information on how to get started. Ever dreamed of having your own online store without putting a single dollar down up front? With dropshipping, it's not just a dream, it's a reality. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products directly to your customers without holding any inventory. A customer places an order for a product on your online store, and then the supplier fulfills the order, shipping the product directly to the customer's doorstep. This model eliminates the need for inventory, warehousing, and the logistical nightmares that come with them. The beauty of dropshipping is that it allows you to start with zero investment. All you need is a well-designed online store, a reliable supplier, and a strong marketing strategy. And the potential for profit? It's substantial. Imagine selling a product for $50 that you bought for $20. That's a $30 profit per sale. Get ready to create a sustainable income stream that can change your life. For a deep dive into the world of dropshipping, check the link in the video description for comprehensive course details. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a revolution in e-commerce. It's your turn to master it. Amazon FBA is the golden ticket to e-commerce success, allowing you to leverage Amazon's robust distribution network and freeing you from the hassles of storage, packaging, and shipping. It's like having your own warehouse and shipping department without the overhead costs. But where to start? Our comprehensive course covers everything from identifying profitable products, understanding Amazon's fees, to mastering inventory management. And the potential earnings? They're as limitless as your ambition. Imagine earning a steady income stream that builds over time, all while working from the comfort of your home. It's not just a dream. It's a reality for many Amazon FBA sellers. The journey to financial independence could be just a click away. Don't forget to click the link below to learn more about how you can embark on your Amazon FBA journey. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or enjoy life. With affiliate marketing, it's not just a dream, it's your ticket to passive income. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful concept. You promote a product or service and earn a commission for every purchase made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win. Companies increase their sales, and you reap the rewards without the need to create a product or service of your own. The potential for income is tremendous. With the right strategy, you can generate consistent passive income streams that continue to pay long after you've done the work. But how do you get started? How do you choose the right products? How do you build an audience and create compelling content that converts? Our comprehensive course will answer all these questions and more, guiding you step by step through the process. For more details and enrollment information, check out the link in the video description. In a world filled with opportunities, it's your turn to take control of your financial destiny. We've journeyed together through a wealth of knowledge, from turning your Instagram presence into a profit-making machine to setting up a dropshipping business without any upfront investment. We've explored the lucrative world of Amazon FBA and unveiled the power of affiliate marketing, which allows you to earn even while you sleep. Each of these methods has the potential to propel you towards financial success, opening doors to an empowered future. They are not just strategies, but stepping stones to a life of financial freedom and independence. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the step you take today could be your leap towards a brighter tomorrow. Don't hesitate. Invest in your financial future today by exploring the links in the video description to access our transformative courses.